Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to monitor energy uses with smart plugs. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you need to simply plug an energy monitoring smart plug into the wall. Once you have plugged this in, you need to plug your desired appliance into the smart plug. After this, you need to download the manufacturer app. Like if you're using Casa or Tapo or any other manufacturer devices. So once you have done this, you can simply go to Smart and go to Automations. So here you can get smart plugs and the device connected to it. After this, you need to follow the app's instruction to connect your smart plug to your Wi-Fi network and add it into your account. Once this is done, you view your energy data. You can once connected, the app will show you device real-time energy consumption. So this is how you can monitor energy uses with smart plugs. I hope you have found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.